next one after lead funnel is our survey funnel. This is going to help you create a survey funnel. So I am just going to say, with the info above, can you create a survey funnel? If I can type. Now, if you don't have any information above and you're just using this by itself, I'll show you how to do that. It will ask you questions to create it. So let's see what it does with the information above first. I've already built a clear value ladder in lead funnel. So now you'll elevate it into a survey funnel that segments your audience before delivering your brand voice workbook funnel. Okay. My goal is to turn cold traffic coaches and creators into segmented, high-quality leads who experience a quick win with your brand voice workbook funnel while helping you learn exactly where they are in their content journey. So, survey funnel flow: 3 to 5 engaging questions that identify their stage, content struggle, and beliefs about AI. Build engagement and segment users into buckets. Type form: go high level. Bucket result page: each person lands on a tailored page that delivers your brand voice workbook funnel and pre-frames the next step, which is kind of cool. You can also, like your survey funnels too, depending on what your information is that it's going to use. You can actually segment this to go to 3 different outputs, 3 different things, 3 different offers. Survey funnels are really nice to use. Again, High Level has a really good survey and ways to do that really easily. So that's something to consider if you don't have High Level. And again, I can help you with that. I can actually help you. What's been your biggest challenge? Okay, so which best describes where you are in your content journey right now? Okay, and then what's been your biggest challenge with content so far? How do you feel about using AI for your content? What result would you love to see in the next 60 days? It's open-ended. So this is the results page. Beginner coach, growing coach, scaling pro. You're at the clarity stage. This workbook will help you find your true voice. You've already got the momentum. This workbook will help you stay consistent while sounding like you. You've already creating impact. This workbook helped you train AI to sound like your brand. So basically, I'm only using one offer at this point for this survey. But like I said, I could have it going to, depending on the answers, I could have it going to 3 different offers, which I'll do a later video to show you how to do something like that. But right now, this is just a quick showing you how to use this. So then you got the email follow-ups. Each segment gets a short 3 email series that reinforces the belief in the points to next step. And it gives you a little technical setup, simple path. What if AI could sound exactly like you? So yeah, and if, like I said, if you're just starting out and you don't have like all the information I have already got up there above, and you want to use it on its own, it's going to ask you a series of questions to help you create one of those. So I hope this helps you guys.